everyone, welcome back to Buick Outdoors. If you're new here, my name is Sheldon Marion, and on this video I'm going to show you how to set up your ice fishing tent by yourself in the wind. When you're setting up your tent in any windy conditions, you have to anchor it in as soon as possible. Otherwise the wind will grab that tent like a giant sail and it'll blow it clear across the lake, and in this case potentially for miles. The first thing I do is I put my tent down on the ice as flat as possible, and I find a corner on the upwind side and I get an anchor in it right away. As soon as you get your first ice anchor in, while still holding on to your tent, grab a second anchor, move to the other corner, and put that one in next. Now that you have your upwind wall anchored in place, you can slowly move down your tent, stretch it out, and anchor it in place as you go. And remember to anchor in your upwind side first. Now that you have the upwind side anchored in, you can move to the other side and repeat the process. Now once you have all of your anchors in place, you can start on the downwind side, start popping up your roofs and then all of your walls, moving towards the wind. On extremely windy days like today, you'll have to put in additional anchors so you can install your guidelines to stop the wind from pushing in your walls. tent all set up. You can see here the one wall, it's slightly bowed in a little bit, but tent's not going anywhere. I didn't have to chase it across the lake or anything crazy like that, which is always a bonus. But yeah, that's how you set up your tent. Out in the wind today, it's 50 kilometers an hour, gusting to 70. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, maybe leave me a comment, let me know how you guys made out. And yeah, hopefully after watching this, you're able to head out, go fishing even in the high winds. Anyways guys, make sure you like and comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.